Okay, so um, hello to all of you. Our new topic is direction of current. Okay, now we will see what is the direction of current. First, I want to tell you the direction of current is always taken from positive to the negative. Since suppose this is a cell. Okay, there are two types of terminal in the cell. One is positive terminal and second one is negative terminal. So what will be the direction of current from positive to negative terminal? How we will see. Okay, suppose this is a conducting wire. Okay, what is the shape of the wire? It is in the cylindrical shape. Okay, so this is a conducting wire, and on this wire the electrons are present on the surface of this wire. Okay, the electrons are always present on the surface of the any conducting material, and inside the conductor the electric field is zero because no charges are present inside the conductor. Okay, so electrons or any type of charges are always present on the surface of the conductor. Okay, so suppose here electrons are present on the surface of this conductor. Okay, and if you add this conductor or connect this conductor by a source of energy taken as battery. Okay, then what will happen? अब electrons क्या है? Electrons are the negative terminal, so it will move towards the positive. Electrons are the negative charge, so it will move towards the positive terminal of the battery. Okay, and when this electron strike this positive terminal of the battery, then a current will be flow from opposite to the direction of electron. Okay, so there are two directions. One is direction of electron and second one is direction of electric current, and direction of electron is taken as electronic current. Okay, direction of electron क्या होता है? Electronic current, and the flow of current from positive to the negative terminal is called electric current, that is denoted by I. So our essential current is what? Electric current. Electronic current is what? Direction of electron is called electronic current. Okay, and electrical current, the opposite of direction of the current is called electrical current. Okay, so this is the direction of the current, always taken as taken from positive to the negative terminal. There is some note: charges or electrons. For us the charges, or for this chapter electricity, the charges are always electron, the negative one. Okay, the negative one. Our charges are negative one. तो charges कहीं पे भी आए हमको क्या consider करना है? The electrons only. Okay, so charges are always present on the surface of the conductor, and inside the conductor the electrons are not present, so inside the conductor the electric field is always zero. Okay, thank you so much class.